Edenlabs Castor Oil is being promoted as a powerful detox and healing solution, especially through castor oil packs that claim to reduce bloating, improve sleep, and even eliminate parasites. But the real question is whether these results are real or just overhyped marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Castor oil itself is a real, widely used natural oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, and commonly used for skin care, hair growth, and mild anti-inflammatory effects. However, here's the key point. Most of the dramatic health claims made by Edenlabs are not scientifically proven. There are some positives. Castor oil can moisturize skin and hair, provide mild anti-inflammatory benefits, help with relaxation when used as a warm compress. For basic wellness use, it can feel soothing and beneficial. That said, there are major concerns. First, exaggerated claims. Edenlabs markets benefits like detoxification, parasite removal, and biofilm breakdown, but these claims are largely based on theory, not strong clinical evidence. Second, placebo effect. Improvements like better sleep or reduced bloating may come from relaxation routines, not the oil itself. Third, branding tactics. The product relies heavily on emotional testimonials, ancient history, references, 90-day guarantees, all common in overhyped wellness products. And importantly, it's not unique. Many standard castor oils, like Now Foods Organic Castor Oil, offer the same core ingredient at a lower price, without exaggerated claims. So, is Edenlabs Castor Oil real or overhyped? It's a real product with basic benefits, but heavily overmarketed. The bottom line is this. Edenlabs Castor Oil can be useful for simple topical use, but the big health claims around detox and deep healing are mostly marketing, not proven results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.